Welcome to the REDMI Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first let's open the gallery application, and after that let's, for example, select these 5 photos. Just to hide them now, we should click here Add to Album and then click here to Private Album just to view our private album. After that we should swipe down in Albums section. So let's click OK. Next. So we should now sign in our Xiaomi account. We can also do that with a Google account. So let's use the HardReset.Info. You should use your account here. Now let's set privacy protection password. In my case, that will be the pattern. Then just tap to next. Click not now. And I just wait a second. After that, let's switch photos to album section and then just swipe, click here to OK, and we can see we should now just enter our password or draw the pattern, and here we can see there's 5 hidden photos. If you want to unhide them again by the same way, just select them and click here remove from private album, and let's just move them here to our camera application section, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.